Hey friends, who's hungry? If you need a brunch recipe that looks impressive but is actually super easy, this pepper jack, bacon, and asparagus quiche is about to be your new go-to. Start by fitting one pie crust into a 9-inch pie plate or tart pan. Trim or flute the edges, then place it in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chilled crust, prick the bottom with a fork, and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until lightly golden. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper until smooth. Stir in 8 ounces of grated pepper jack cheese and 6 strips of cooked and crumbled bacon until everything is well combined. Pour the filling into the pre-baked crust, then arrange 8 trimmed asparagus stalks on top in a circular pattern. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes until the center is set and the top is lightly golden. Let the quiche rest for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.